everybody. This is the Conquer Fear and Do Yourself channel. And once again, as I learn stuff that's going on with my truck, I pass it on to everyone else. This here is a cable that's called the kickdown cable. The kickdown cable is attached to the throttle position sensor mechanism, which I'll show you in a second, and it connects to the side of the transmission, which I'll show it to you in a second. All right, real quick, the kickdown cable is connected inside here. I'll take that off and show you. All right, everybody, the kickdown cable is the one in the bottom, and to take it off, you have to unclip it at the base. You push in the side and you push out, and can't show you the ball because it's too hard, but this is where the ball stud is. So it's just a round ball, and that cable just clips in, and to pop it out, you get a screwdriver, put it inside here, and pop it out. Alright, so that's the kickdown cable's location at the TPS. So this is the cable where I just showed you up front, and these are the side clips. Right? There's two of them, one this side, this side. You push it and then pull it out. The ball clips onto this, but as you can see, this one broke. Alright, so the cable where it hooks up to the transmission, here's the pan, the transmission pan. Let me see if I can adjust this flashlight so it stays. Okay. So what happens with the cable, it gets looped half a loop. So you connect it from the front and it comes around where it attaches to a brace. I'll show you where the brace is if my flashlight will allow me. This is the brace right here. There you see the cable, and at the end you see that white plastic, and it's another ball, and it snaps onto it. You should have no slack, but not tight. So it should be just a perfect fit. It's important that you check to see if it's too loose or too tight. This is the end that I just showed you. Again, it has that hole for the ball. When you take it out, just get a screwdriver and pop it out. Make sure the screwdriver is making it go straight out. And that bracket I showed you, this is for that bracket. So if you notice, it has two grooves, one on this side and one on the other side. So to set it in, you have the big flat side on top, and you just push it inside the groove of the bracket where those two grooves are. All right? Alright, so what's the importance of the kickdown cable? Actually, I thought it was just for when you have to give it a lot of gas and to pass someone up, it'll go into a lower gear. Of course, that's what it does, but it also has a relationship with the synchronization the gears changing. So if you think that your gears are changing too fast, you might want to check out your kickdown cable and see if it's loose over here. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to have. It's not supposed to be tight, and it's not supposed to be loose. It's got to be right in the middle. You might want to check that out if you think that your transmission is shifting too fast. All right. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, don't hesitate to ask. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right. Take it easy.